Welcome to the breathtaking Ses Salines Beach in Ibiza, a gem among the island's many stunning beaches. Join us for a virtual tour of this paradise, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more adventures. Ses Salines is renowned for its pristine turquoise waters and powdery white sand. It's an ideal destination for swimming, sunbathing, and soaking in Ibiza's natural beauty. Whether you're basking in the sun or enjoying a peaceful beach walk, Ses Salines provides a serene escape. The warm sun and gentle breeze make it perfect for relaxation. The beach offers a vibrant atmosphere with numerous activities. From paddleboarding and snorkeling to beach volleyball and yoga, there's something for everyone. Feeling peckish or thirsty? Ses Salines features a fantastic array of beachside cafes and restaurants where you can indulge in Mediterranean cuisine and refreshing drinks. Take a tranquil stroll along the shore, with soft sand underfoot and the calming sound of waves. It's the perfect way to connect with nature and enjoy the peaceful environment. Stay for the sunset, and you'll be treated to a stunning view that caps off a perfect day at Ses Salines. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Ses Salines Beach. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. See you next time.